Do you want to know how you can log into your Yarmouth Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into Yarmouth Payroll accounts. Go ahead and open any browser and search for Yarmouth Payroll login. Then click on the first link which appears on your screen and it will take you to these client links. You can see that there is option of Yarmouth Payroll online services, Yarmouth Payroll time and attendance, Yarmouth Payroll HR on demand. So you can see that these are different login portals. You can click on them and you can see that there is your login ID and password in most of them. So go ahead and write down your username or email address and then write down your password. And then you can see login. Go ahead and click login and you can log in into these portals and you can log into your portal on Yarmouth Payroll. So guys, this is how you log into your Yarmouth Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.